October amada Panchayatki Mikhal Pangthoknaba cabinet na Warep Loukhre. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemsana mayai tangbal lauduna pangthokiba State Cabinet ki mifamna October amada Panchayatki taruk suba general election pangthoknaba Warep Loukhre. Cabinet ki Warep adugi matungin na Rural Development and Panchayati Raj ke Commissioner Suman Singhana election ga mari leina notification ama thokre. Notification adugi matungin na August 12 da haunabi matungin na Mikhal gi notification thoklaga ne. Mirep se pisin bagi aroiba matam na August 19 oigani August 18 da scrutiny tawraga mirep se lokthokpagi aroiba matam September ama oigani haire October ama da Mikhal pangthoklaba matungda tangai fadana repoll pangthokpagi mathau taraklabadi October 5 da pangthokani October 9 da bot masing thigani kumjali singani kunithoi da matam loikraba matungda Manipur Tampaki district 5 da Panchayatki Mikhal pangthokpa ngamdana lakhibani Traffic police ama Thangna Thilambadagi Sokle ngasi ayuk pung 10:45 rom tarakpada traffic police personnel ama pauna kaithel gi Mahavir Pharmacy manakta duty tawringaida masak khangdaba miyoi amana lukhamda Thangna Thilambadagi Rims Hospital la laikana khre soklaba traffic police personnel adudi kwa kaithel mayai koibidagi Salam Tarun Kumar Singh chahini fuganipan apokpa S samungong kowi mahaki kok amasung khutki mafam kharada sokhe soklaba Tarun Kumar traffic control police wing da posting tavani thongdok asida senariba miyoi haujik phawbagi oina phabagi paw leitre Hiram asigi matang city police na case ama lakwatuna thijinba hokre haire